In this video we'll be looking at how to play the fantastic Sam Fender song, You're Not the Only One. This song is actually played tuned down a half step on the studio version and in C# standard on the live version. We're going to look at how to play the parts in standard tuning so you can get started right away. If you do want to jam along with the song, you'll have to detune your guitar to match the record, but the parts will be played in exactly the same way as we're going to look at now. The verse in the studio version sounds like this. We start off with a C with a G in the bass, and the rhythm is down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. That's 2 bars. Then we go to an E minor for 2 bars, same rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Then to a D add 9, add 11 chord, which sounds tricky, but it's actually the same voicing as that C with the G in the bass, just up 2 frets there, the 5th fret. Exactly the same rhythm, but it lasts for 4 bars. So the whole thing there. For the chorus, we keep the rhythm exactly the same, only for the first time through we have an A minor instead of a C with a G in the bass. So we see A minor, E minor, D chord, so we C, E minor, D chord. For the live version we have a slightly more interesting rhythm. It sounds like this. Chords are exactly the same. We start off with that C. I'm going to strum and aim for the low bass notes to start with. The second strum is more like a rake strum, so we're going to put a lot of pressure on the strings and kind of push through them. And we're going to catch the high E, then the B string, then we've got a down up. 2 bars of that, and then we do exactly the same thing on the E minor chord. 2 bars. Then we go to the D chord, which is exactly the same, other than a little hammer on we do with the 2nd finger from open to the 4th fret on the D string. So B. Okay, so the whole thing. And the rhythm is the same for the chorus with the A minor chord as well. Enjoy jamming along with this fantastic song. If you're a fan of Sam Fender's and want to learn more of his songs, check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.